Okay, so what we have done here is we went ahead and set up an account for MB Haynes, and this is in our development environment or our sandbox, so to speak. And we set up an account for MB Haynes and a login for Pam Bailey, and also logins for 3 salespeople. We set up user-defined fields to cover what's um, what's needed in terms of the building owner, so we can track the building owner. We're going to be able to track the job location or the job site. We're going to be able to track the sub site within a site, because so you may do part of a building or part of a location. So we have a location and then part of a location. I noticed main campus is one of them, but you may go back and do some work on just part of that. So we have sub location, and then we also added uh, job start date or estimated start date for the project. Okay, and so after we set up those user defined fields, we went in and set up the divisions, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and we also set up another division that we saw on the website called the solar division. And they have more, but we set those up just so you can see them for the demo. Okay. And then what we have also done is we went ahead and I'll log in and I'll show this to you. We went ahead and set up Vanoy Construction as the customer for MB Haynes, and the Vanoy Construction is tagged as a general contractor. You can create customer types or account types, and we set them up as a general contractor underneath CRM, manage accounts, and you'll see real quickly that we have, and again, this is in our development environment, so bear with us, Vanoy Construction as a general contractor, and we saw Eddie Vanoy on there as the CEO, and we set him up. Okay, so once we got all that set up, we went ahead and created 4 opportunities according to the emails that came out that they wanted to see. So the first one, actually, they're not in particular order. They were created in the same time. But the first one is plumbing for the Mission Health client as the building owner and Hart Tower as the location. We assigned that particular opportunity to Jill Knowles. It has a status of it's a new opportunity or a qualified opportunity in this case, and you expect the contract date, a signed contract or an accepted proposal on the 30th of September. I'll go ahead and drill down into that, and we will see, okay, on the details that we have in OI, we got a description, we have a detailed description, the value of the project. We categorize the project as a new project. You can categorize it differently as a service, warranty, of product sales, but we set this up as all new projects. It came in today on the 15th. It is assigned to the plumbing division, as you can see here, and then is assigned to Jill, which is what was requested in the demo. It's fixed fee, expected contract on the 30th. Now, if I go to the job details, you will see the building owner is Mission, the location is Hart Tower. The sub-location, in this case, we just put in some text that says it's the entire tower, and it's due to start on the 18th of October. And we put the address in there, included Hart Tower on the address. So that's the way we set all these up, and you'll be able to see for all of them, all 4 of these opportunities, they're done the same way. You had 2 electrical, both assigned to Eric. One was for Hart Tower, and one was for main campus. This is the main campus one. And we'll go in and we'll look at the other electrical one, which should be this one here. And this one should be for Hart Tower. Yep. And assigned to Eric as well. We also track that this is a repeat customer as a source of the lead. We assume Vanoy is a repeat customer. And then we did the same thing for the HVAC opportunity right here. and we put a little description in there. That one's assigned to Dave, Division HVAC, again, Mission Health, main campus, all of the main campus, start date in October, so on and so forth. So that's the way we set these up. Now we can track, manage, report all of these. We can set up follow-up plans by division. We can have reporting based on division and who the leads are assigned to, and we also can set up different types if you need to. That's something we discussed in our kickoff meeting and our implementation meeting, but we have lots of flexibility there, and we also have unlimited flexibility in our user-defined fields. As you can see here, we actually put selectable values in for you, so if you have common values you want to select, and we can put user-defined fields in place for the lead itself, for the job, and you see that here for the job, for the customer or for the account, and then also at the contact level. So you can have user-defined fields for the individuals to track information. And then finally, an activity level, we can also set up user-defined fields. So that's how we've got it. I hope this works for you and gets across the point you want us to get across. Thank you.